Hi guys, it's Coach Nancy here. Now, as you're all getting to know your new personalized points plan, I want to inspire you with recipes that will help you utilize all your new 0 points foods. And this breakfast dish could be completely 0 points if you have fish and eggs on your personalized point system as a 0 pointed food. To make my 0 point breakfast, you would need cooking spray, cauliflower rice, some baby spinach, diced onions, some smoked salmon, 1 egg which we'll poach, and of course some salt and pepper. We're now going to add our baby spinach, add our cauliflower rice and give it a stir. Once that's in, we'll add our smoked salmon, season with some salt and pepper. Got 1 cracked egg and we're going to poach this now. And it goes into the water and we'll let that boil. Now that our poached eggs are done, and so is our stir fry, we're going to add it on a plate. Now finish off with our poached egg. Now how delicious does this look? Why don't you give it a try?